Hello everybody, I am Dr. Tejinder Kaur Sarna, a lifestyle nutritionist. I will be talking about adolescent health and problems related to it. Adolescent is a very crucial period in a boy's as well as a girl's life. I have seen many articles whereby adolescence is a period which is not covered anyhow. It is the most neglected period, I can say it's the most neglected period in the life where no studies are there in the journals. This is a very stressful life, especially when the children, especially girls and boys, when they are passing through their 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Those are the periods when they are actually concentrating on their careers. And parents at times do not let their children play a lot. Parents bound their children, the boys and the girls, to their home. Steady, steady, steady. Yes, I can understand a parent's mind when it comes to a child's study and her career. But at times, parents are too much indulged in this. Parents need to understand that apart from studies, child needs some entertainment or some stress busters so that they can improve in their productivity. Children needs to go out and play to release the stress so that when he comes back and when she comes back to study, she can give more productivity in terms of excellence in studies and good performance in academics. Diet plays a major role, and I have seen that children study for late night and they have those coffees, soft drinks, malt based drinks. But parents do not notice that way they are just sitting and adding to the calorie counts. Instead of that, there are many rich options, healthy options that the children should have. Children should have a healthy breakfast. They should have a cereal, a protein that can be a handful of nuts. They should have a fruit and a glass full of milk, which should have either honey or good added to it. This should be followed by a mid-term or mid-morning breakfast, mid-morning meal that can be a fruit again, a nice lunch with lots of protein, carbohydrates in balance, lots of water also required. Evening snack plays a major role with children. Usually children just have a milk and then they go off to play or they go off to their studies. But exactly evening snack evening snacks. Evening snack plays a major role in child's nutrition. It can vary from a fruit to a katori of murmuras to a katori of bhuna chana, fruits, sprouts, anything like that. Even boiled chicken plays a major role and it can be very helpful. And children should have proper dinner. That means it has to have chapati or dal, chawal, sabji, and while sleeping a child should have again a glass of milk with good or honey, and that good while sleeping the child should have a full glass of hot milk with good or honey. Now this late night milk is very important for a stressless and a sound sleep. So I prefer children should have this. Apart from this, children should play at least 4 to 5 hours in a week. This is very important, and this 5 to 6 hours a week means playing outside the home, and that should be without gadget. So there are many options. Swimming can be included, cycling, playing badminton, tennis, even volleyball and basketball are a very good example. Even if a child has nobody to play around with him, simple taking a stroll or walking around or even jogging around for 10 minutes can increase the productivity to larger sense. Parents are requested to let their children go out and play in open gardens for at least 3 to 4 hours in a week. Thank you. If you like this video, kindly like and share and subscribe.